Hi, today I'm for the Doogee X95 and I'll show you how to scan QR codes with our device help. So to do that, we should first open the settings and then scroll down to the QR code scanner section. Just tap on this icon and now we can see here the scanner. So we should place our QR code into this frame. So let's do this. Wait a second. We can see here that this is the link of the Wikipedia arc, so we can just go directly to this website to copy it, just to share, for example, with someone, or just open it, share it and open it in another application, or just to open this QR code in the browser. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe.